Hey guys, and hope you're all doing good. So I've come out this afternoon to do a walk around video tour of a stunning new listing, Villa Perfecto. This is in the PRADO area of Arboleas, so within easy walking distance of the centre. And what a cracking property. Currently used as a full-time home, affords 150 metres of living space, so it's a 3-bed 2-bath, but a very big one. You can see right in front of me there, pristine 8x4 pool. What I love about this property, although it's used as a full-time home, you can see the garden's been designed and laid out to be extremely low maintenance, which makes it kind of very good, if you like, for a holiday home, equally as it is a full-time residence. Absolutely immaculate, as you can see. So I've come through a pedestrian gate. The whole garden has been fully walled and gated to a very high standard, but to increase levels of privacy. So you've got this wonderful double gate over here, leads onto concrete driveway, and then you've got a large detached garage block, come store shed, come workshop. I'll show you a little bit more of that in a minute. I mean, that's been adapted into a great gym, you can see there. And then the little window to the right is the storeroom, which we'll see from the other side. You can see a stunning wood pergola there, or porch, that sits over an access door that leads into the kitchen, so a perfect entertaining spot. We'll have a little pan around from that side in a second. And then you can see the terrace just continues. It literally encases the whole of the villa. There's very little planted beds, so low maintenance, very easy to look after, and very well located. So little door there coming up, and that leads into a large purpose-built storeroom which adjoins onto the garage. And look at that beautiful view from here. So wandering along the right-hand side now of the villa, you can see quality stone cladding around the entire base. All the windows I've got fly screens and security wreckers. Hadn't thought of this when I was kind of starting the film and everything, but also a garden that's like this is great if people have got kind of minor mobility issues and stuff like that, because wandering around on great big rafts of gravel is never easy. Lovely shaded corridor here, and that, look at the backdrop from here, absolutely stunning. And then to my left coming up now is a very large second wood pergola come seating area designed for barbecues in the evening. Glorious spot, absolutely shady underneath here. And just look at this backdrop. So coming along now what's effectively the left hand side of the villa, those double doors there lead into a purpose-built bar come dining area, which we'll have a look at in more detail from the inside. And then I've done a full circle back to the first porch come pergola that you saw, which door access over there to the left straight into the kitchen. So, you know, friends over or yourselves, it's very easy. Pop outside, have a nice glass of wine, bring out some food. Perfect. Let's have a little wander onto the inside. So coming into the kitchen, as you can see, very good size. Teak effect, ample teak effect, storage units, wall and floor mounted. Big double fridge in there. You've got broom cupboards and ironing cupboards, and then it's a quality granite worktops. And just over to my right, you can see drinking water system installed there. And then this door into the left leads into the lounge. Now, I don't know if you're appreciating from this, but a very spacious property to an exceptionally high quality. It's been furnished in a, you know, I suppose a minimalist style, but the furniture's absolutely perfect and in keeping. And a lot of this furniture you can see can be included, but that'll be under separate negotiation. So 48-metre lounge dining room, which is exceptionally spacious for a villa in this location. Double doors there, off to my left, go into the purpose-built bar come second dining area. Corner mounted pellet burner you can see in front of me. Immediately to my right is the entrance to the master bedroom, which we'll have a look at in a second. And then further on down at the opposite end of the lounge, you've got a small hallway, and that gives you access to the 2 further double bedrooms and shared family bathroom. So wandering on now into the master, very good size, 16 metres of space. You've got a massive bank of rolling fitted wardrobes. You'll see rolling fronted fitted wardrobes. You've got a nice panel heater in here. All rooms have been fully air conditioned, top spec units, and the key ones have also got ceiling fans as well. Fly screens are fitted throughout. What a beautiful room. Nice wallpaper panel there, you can see at the end of the bed, and then huge bank of fitted wardrobes. There's a wall mounted TV. Up above the dressing table, and then the door in front there leads into the ensuite. Let's take a quick look in here. So it's a combination that's very popular but very unusual. You've got a full shower in here, lovely towel heater you can see in front, and then the full bathtub as well. So very nice ensuite bathroom. Back out into the living room now. So I've come down to the opposite end of the living room to give you a little pan from this end, pan around. So kitchen door there now immediately in front, and the master bedroom door off to the left. As you can see, there's ceiling fans in here, as well as the air conditioning, and also in the master bedroom. Now the bar is located there off to the right, and then that little archway up the opposite end of the master bedroom goes into a small lobby area hallway, and you've got a double bedroom to the left and right, and a luxurious ensuite or family bathroom in the middle. So this is the shared family bathroom. Again, it's newly installed, newly refurbished, glorious double shower. We've got the towel heater and everything in there. Lovely vanity and wash units, and then a double bedroom off to the left. And a further double off to the right. Okay, used for 2 single beds at the moment, but ample room for a double. Further fitted wardrobes in here as well. So finally, let's go and have a look into the bar area. Double doors that take you out onto this. What a glorious addition. You've got a full bar sitting here with a fridge sitting in. A few optics up on the wall there, why not? And a nice seating area. I mean, again, this can be changed. You could put a far bigger dining table in here if you wanted, but it's a perfect relaxation room at the moment for the current owners. I think I agree with that one. And then further double doors going out here to the second of the porch pergolas that we passed through when we were doing the outside. So there you have it. Villa Perfecto. An absolutely gorgeous, top spec and very stylish 3-bed 2-bath villa. Full details will appear soon in the link below. We've got lots of pictures on file, and if you'd like to arrange a viewing or further information, you know how to do it. Just get in touch, khalidahomes@hotmail.com. Give us a call, +34 950 430 763. Look forward to hearing and hope you enjoyed the walk around. And if you're wondering what the noise is, it's a little beagle. 14 years old, this little chap.